how many days did you spend with these Aghoris, and why did you come to a conclusion that you would like to write a book on that? Because to know about, like, to write a book, I'm sure you must have spent enough time with
Yeah.
them and learned about them and their journey and you know uh, their sadhana, their lifestyle, and of course the ultimate goal is mukti. But how was your experience? Now you've been talking about how they do, and but when you spend time with them, how was it for you?
I would say that the first meeting with them was where I really understood what fear is.
Hmm.
मैं डर गया था बहुत because their eyes are, see, for a common man like me, I will look at them with the expectation of a normal human being, right? They are, but their उनकी नजर जो होती है,
Hmm.
their vision, their eyes are so piercing. They almost look through you. When they talk, there is no chance for you to, no bandalbaji,
Yeah, I'm
no
sure.
exaggeration. You have to be nathamastak. Fortunately, the person who took me, he had guided me that ज़्यादा बोलो मत. I know you're a trainer, तो मैं हंसी मजाक में बोल दिया आप तो कम बात कीजिए. And he said that please try and not carry a phone, because तब तक कैमरा फोन सब आए थे. And he was right. He said don't, because no सेल्फी बिल्फी कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. जो कुछ पूछना है एक चिट पे लेके आइए.
Hmm.
If you feel, you can use the chit, and if you want to make some notes, you can also use that chit. I, more than Shraddha, the number of hours I spent with them, नंबर से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है मैंने जो मुझे मौका मिला पूछने को, जो मैंने प्रश्न तैयार किए थे, whatever questions I prepared, I was able to ask them. And I think as the way the meeting with them started and continued, they understood that I'm not there to do anything else trying to be popular. I'm just there to understand them. And they were pretty okay with that. I had to earn their trust.
Hmm.
I met them twice in the same period.
Hmm.
Because again, I was told that they will not allow you to live with them.
Hmm.
But the person who took me there, he took their permission कि कुछ समय के लिए वो मिलना चाहते हैं.
Hmm.
So, like I said, it's education is not how much you know, it's how well you know, as Swami Vivekananda said. So I may not have had days, but the hours that I had, I really made the best of it.